Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After a little break, come let's talk with me, Kasim Kaira. Your favorite program for Tuesday nights is back. And tonight, on Tuesday, we will be talking about stepfathers. The global situation, has meant that many women are sort of divorcing their husbands. Many men are dying in wars or in prisons. Many men are out of their children's lives, and as a result, many women have taken on more men, becoming stepfathers in the process. Stepfathers have been there historically. The Prophet ﷺ was a stepfather, married to Khadija, who had children from a previous relationship. It brings in the idea of the position of stepfathers. What role have they played? Are they actually an obstacle? Are they a hindrance to the lives of the children, or are they actually a facilitator? Oftentimes you'll find stepfathers who have come into children's lives, been there, helped them through the process, but it gets to graduation time and the actual father is called in, the stepfather is forgotten. Is there a special place for stepfathers who have stepped in? Actually, other than being the stepfathers, they have stepped in where the actual fathers are out of the picture. Have they got a raw deal as stepfathers? You may have been a product of a stepfather. You were looked after by a stepfather, your memories of that being much strong. Or probably they were actually an obstacle in that process. Maybe you're actually a stepfather at the moment and you're seeing the way children oftentimes don't respect you because they think, after all, you are not my daddy. What can you do to me? It's also about the future. Looking at the way the society has been changing so much, will stepfathers still have relevance within our community? Are they actually becoming even much more relevant? Is there any support mechanism that can be given to recognize the position of stepfathers? That will be the discussion at 8 p.m. on Tuesday. As Come Let's Talk with me, Kasim Kaira, returns live on 75W Radio, live on Ummah Connected. We are crossing onto the X Spaces as well as Instagram, as Facebook, and on YouTube. Do not miss for any reason. Come and let's have that conversation. Maybe you're not yet a stepfather. You may become one very soon. Maybe, just maybe. Hope to see you there.